The full bench of the Federal Court of Appeal in Sydney has dismissed Australian Special Forces veteran Ben Roberts-Smith's appeal to have a multi-million-dollar defamation loss overturned. Reporter Melissa McKay joins us now from the court. Mel, take us through the decision.
Good morning, Dan. Yeah, this is just breaking in the last few minutes. The appeals board handed down its decision on Ben Roberts-Smith's appeal, and they have dismissed his appeal. Ben Roberts-Smith has lost his bid to have the federal court decision overturned. This is a multi-million-dollar case, and it dates back years. Dan, this is quite a significant finding by the appeals court this morning. So to take it back a couple of steps, Ben Roberts-Smith was attempting to overturn a decision handed down by the federal court, which ruled against him in a defamation claim he had made against 9 newspapers relating to stories published in 2018. So the war veteran had attempted to sue 9 newspapers over a series of articles published back in 2018, which he claimed had falsely portrayed him as a war criminal and a bully. He lost that defamation trial in a some 730-page decision by the federal court. Justice Anthony Basenko found that the publications had proven to the civil standard that the allegations raised in those articles were substantially true, including an allegation that he was involved in the murders of 4 people while on deployment in Afghanistan. Now, Ben Roberts-Smith has always denied those allegations, and it's important to note he has never been criminally charged. He had been seeking to have that federal court finding overturned, but the appeals board today has handed down its decision dismissing his appeal, upholding the decision of the original judge. They've also ruled that Ben Roberts-Smith must pay costs. Now, we don't know exactly how expensive this bill will be, Dan, but it has been running for several years and is estimated to be well into the tens of millions of dollars. So much more to come, no doubt, on this story, Dan. The federal court, full bench of the federal court handing down its decision just minutes ago.